Let's install Unity and set up our first project. I will guide you through the entire process, step by step, in this episode of my Unity 2D course. I'm Cory Code, and let's jump right in. First, let's download and install the Unity Hub. The Unity Hub is a central place where you can manage Unity installations and projects. To download it, go to unity.com, click Download, and then download the hub. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Now that we have the Unity Hub installed, you can manage licenses, add. If you already have a license, you can set it up here. Otherwise, just click Get a free personal license. We need to download and install the Unity editor itself, and click on the Install tab. Then click Install Editor and select the Unity versions you would like to install. For this tutorial, we will be using the latest version. Once the installation is complete, we are ready to create a new project. Click on the Projects tab in the Unity Hub, and then click New Project. You will be presented with several options, but first let's talk about the different types of projects you can create in Unity. Full 3D. These projects are entirely in 3D with a 3D gameplay and graphics. Orthographic 3D. These projects are 3D but with the orthographic camera, which can create a 2D-like appearance. Full 2D. These projects have 2D gameplay and graphics using 2D assets and physics. 2D gameplay with 3D graphics. These projects combine 2D gameplay mechanics with 3D visuals. 2D gameplay with a perspective camera. These projects have a 2D gameplay and use a perspective camera to create depth. When creating a new project, you also need to choose a rendering pipeline. Unity offers 3 options. Built-in. This is the default rendering pipeline that works with most devices. It works with any assets from the Unity Asset Store and is suitable for beginners. Universal Rendering Pipeline, or URP, offers improved performance and graphics quality even on low-end devices like phones, and it's recommended for most projects. High Definition Render Pipeline, HDRP. Best for high-end graphics and visuals, but requires more powerful hardware. For this course, we will create a 2D project using the built-in rendering pipeline. Select 2D, choose a project name and location, and click Create Project. Unity will now set up your project. To recap, we have successfully downloaded and installed Unity Hub, installed Unity as well, and created our first 2D project. You are now ready to start learning Unity and building your own games. Now let's have a quick quiz to test your understanding. What is the purpose of the Unity Hub? What are the 3 rendering pipeline options available in Unity? What type of projects did we create for this course? Please subscribe and get notifications for future videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.